In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide games from friends and players on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to settings, then go to users and accounts, go to privacy and wait for it to load for a few seconds. Then go to view and customize your privacy settings. Now here go down and here you will see hide your games from other players. So select it and now here you can select which game you want to hide. Now this is the first method to hide games. Now the second method is, so let's say you are playing a game. Let me launch a game. So after you have launched a game, press the PS button on your controller. Then here, go on your profile icon, press X, then go on online status, and here you can select appear offline. And this is how you can hide games from friends and players on your PS5. Thanks for watching.